So with the permission of God Almighty and principal of the institution, I take this privilege to start this course, and on this occasion I welcome all the participants who have joined through video conferencing and all the dignitaries, head of the departments, deans, and a few participants who have assembled in the seminar hall of consultancy cell. We have maintained the social distancing, following all the norms for the COVID. This program is a very special program. For the reason being, this is sponsored by TUCUP 3 and this is a very practical program. Here we have the participants right from the principal of the institutions as well as the students from the first year. So in between head of the department, deans, uh, non-technical staff, from the accounts branch, from the establishment. So it is quite range. So the question might be how it will be possible to conduct such a course. So thing is that with the advent of technology, we have not many tools available, but which most of us fail to use the power of those tools, and we are facing a lot of difficulty while maintaining the information. So whenever we wish to have some information, normally we are not able to access recent information. Normally we get some old copy of the document, and then it creates a lot of problem. Or data gathered from one section is not matching with the data available in the other sections. So there's a lot of problems. The question is how to solve these problems. And computer scientists have and software developers develop versatile tools which they design for their own purposes. But later these tools are being used by non-professionals from non-computer science IT professionals. I give you the example. In the beginning, when there were very few computers, earlier it was the isolated computer. I am talking about the mainframes, and then they start connecting computers with one another. So at that time, those computer scientists they start sending messages to each other on computers, and that was a very rare few top scientists who could afford that. And then that was the way that email started. So earlier only top notch scientists used to have email, and it was never thought that it will be a email can be used by a normal person. But as the personal computers came, then later mobile, then things together are together. And if now we say okay, email is only meant to be used by the computer scientists, no one will believe. So same is the case. So I will not go into complexity or terminology. In lump sum, this is a program which is efficient, trackable, and sustainable workflow. Workflow is our office workflow. It can be a consultant company. It can be a normal municipal corporation's office. It can be an office of any academic institution, school, where we keep record. So to keep record, whenever we do very tiny things, everything need involve more than one person. Even hardly a small notice need to be dictated by first or some officer to his PA, then PA will draft, then officer will make the changes. So at least every simple thing go into 2-3 revisions. And if things are important like a corporate budget or corporate profile or prospectus, and it might be a technical report. It requires lot of reasons, and for that purpose, I will show you. No, this is a you can say a from the a cartoon you can find. So this represents some serious report, but to larger or small extent, it applicable to every document. So someone who was responsible to prepare the report, he named it final job, assuming that he has done everything, spending maybe 3-4 nights on that. Then when he submit that report to his boss, that might be his head of the department or might be a supervisor, research supervisor, then he suggests some changes and then he gives final underscore revision dot do dot dot. It means revision 1, revision 2 like that. And then with more comments from the Supervisor, he give final underscore reason dot six dot comments dot doc. Then likewise final underscore reason dot eight dot comments 5 dot corrections dot doc. And you can find such file names in everyone's desktop. Final underscore reason dot 18 dot comments 7 dot correction 9 dot mode dot 30 dot doc, and final underscore reason dot 22 dot comments 49 dot correction dot 10 dot hyphen, and someone is frustrated, right? Why did I come to engineering college? I mean, that happens, lot many revisions take place, and then we don't know how to manage those changes. See, there's only one thing which is a constant, that's the change. Change has to be there. You even just take a simple wedding invitation and you go through 5, 6 revisions in that. You have just a notice, you need to do a revisions like that. Then you sometimes need to have a record that who took what decision, who make what changes, and we require that for every document. And in case of ISO 9001, it's a mandatory to have a controlled document. So because we have a tool which can help us to keep all those changes, record of those changes, and later find out who did what, and if need arises, something if happens, current version is not good, some previous version was great, so you want to go there. So you can easily roll back to there. So there are a lot of benefit to do this. We will do this in a different way. There will be hardly any lecture, right? Everything will be doing it yourself, do it yourself in a mode. Just we will give some announcements to you. Okay, you are to go through this, read this, do this, and then you have to report. Humble request to everyone, because we have a large status variation in the participants. So forget about your status. At the moment, everyone should act like a student. And whatever is the task is given to you, try to complete that task, because the completion of task will be evaluated, and accordingly final marks will be given and certificate will be given. Because evaluation criteria is very strict, and TQuick office is very particular about the evaluation criteria. So don't try to do and don't try to take help from your juniors or ask some student to help you. I say every participant need to take a oath that he will not going to take help from any colleague, any student, or as such on the internet. Whatever you have the queries, only thing is only you can search the internet and try to find the solution, or read the document which we suggested and find the answer. If that is not the case, you are finding difficulty, then you will ask question only on the guru.gntc.ac.in. There will be discussion forum. When you go through that course, you will find there will way out. So you have to ask question there. I mean, we would like to evaluate that what difficulty participants are facing and what type of questions they that come into their mind, and then we will also evaluate if their peer, any other fellow participant know the answer, then he or she should give the answer. So whatever you do, asking question will carry a weightage, giving answer will carry a weightage, so that will be your performance. So that performance will also be evaluated in addition to the quizzes and completion of the task. And then whatever you ask question and whatever answer is given by your friends, your colleagues, or your students, then you have a right to rate that response. Even if answer is great in your opinion, you can rate it. I mean, there will be a rating system. So you all should rate each other's questions and answers. So that will very make this course very interesting. So less lecture, do it yourself, go through the suggested reading material, read it, and you have to do it and report it. Whatever you report, and with your experience, that is you going to publish on a publicly available document that will be your website. And that's how we will learn that how we are to control the document and having the system, like principal has given task to some a report, and then that task is going to be distributed to different departments. Then for every department responsible for department information, then they also divide information to various other faculty in the department, so that faculty member at the lowest end will make a draft or make a report which will be reviewed by the head of the department. Then head of the department will either reject that draft or suggest some changes, or himself will do some correction and then accept it, so that everything will be recorded. Then he will submit to the principal. Then principal can do the same thing. He can either reject it, mentioning some reason that it should be amended like this. Then those all those reason changes will be recorded, and it is very fun to work for that. And without doing much labor, I mean, course is not a difficult at all. So don't afraid of that. The course will be difficult. Only mindset need to be changed. All good things are available free of cost, and many of you may not like with my statement. And it is only our greed we make things more complicated or costly. Nature has given us water, oxygen, air, everything free of cost. Nothing. If we have polluted and then we want to sell the purifier, then it's our business. If we just respect the nature, then everything is available free of cost. Likewise, most of the software, great software, good software are available free of cost. So whatever we are going to use in this course, that is going to be a free of cost, right? So I will not take much time. So just I want to give the introduction